Welcome back to our channel. Today we're unveiling a Korea-inspired formula that promises to whiten your face and body quickly, giving you skin as white as snow. Let's dive into this magical recipe. This Korea-inspired whitening formula works quickly to lighten your skin tone, reduce dark spots, and give you a radiant snow-white complexion. The combination of natural bleaching agents and deep moisturizers ensures your skin stays healthy and hydrated. To begin, we will start by preparing our ingredients. You will need 1 medium-sized potato. Next, proceed by peeling the potato to remove its outer skin. Grate the potato. The use of potatoes helps to lighten dark spots and remove tan caused by exposure to sunlight. Potatoes also contribute to overall skin health improvement. Now that we have grated the potato, we can proceed to the next step of the preparation. Add the grated potato to a saucepan to proceed with the next steps in the preparation process. Add a cup of water to the grated potato and mix thoroughly. Place the saucepan on the stove over low heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, strain the mixture thoroughly. Transfer the boiled potato mixture into a blender jar and blend thoroughly until smooth. We now have a smooth potato juice. Pour the blended potato mixture into a bowl. Use a cloth or fine strainer to filter it. Squeeze the potato juice from the cloth to extract as much liquid as possible. Take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch helps to absorb excess oil and provides a matte finish to your skin. It also soothes and smooths the skin. Add 1 cup of water and mix it well until fully combined. Add the cornstarch mixture to the potato juice and stir thoroughly until well combined. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice to the mixture. Mix well. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, known for its brightening and exfoliating effects, promoting a more even skin tone. Pour the mixture into a saucepan and place it on the stove over low heat. Allow it to cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches the desired consistency. After 5 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat and allow the mixture to cool for a few minutes. You will notice that it has developed a creamy texture. Now we are adding Nivea cream. Add 1 tablespoon of Nivea cream to the mixture and blend thoroughly until well combined. Nivea cream provides deep hydration, ensuring your skin stays moisturized and soft, which is essential for a healthy glow. Our specialized cream is now prepared and ready for use. To maintain its effectiveness and ensure optimal freshness, please store the cream in a clean, airtight container in the refrigerator. This will help preserve its quality. The cream can be safely stored for up to 2 weeks. Apply the mixture evenly on your face and body, focusing on areas with dark spots or uneven skin tone. Gently massage in circular motions to ensure the mixture penetrates the skin. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes to let the ingredients work their magic. After 30 minutes, wash the hand with lukewarm water. Consistency is essential for achieving radiant skin. You may apply this cream to your face daily. Noticeable results can be expected within the first week of use. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing skincare tips and DIY recipes. Drop your questions and feedback in the comments below. See you next time.